Oh, what's good, people? We back at it again, and yeah, today we're checking out Flame again. Literally, bro. The boy's back now. You feel me? He's back for the crowd. I fuck with that. Cause there's the thing, bro. This joint, especially Kill Switch, but I thought he had forgotten about this joint, bro. Cause I've been here, bro. I'm like, why are you not dropping that shit, bro? Because the first time I had it was on I don't know if that was a balcony mix or something. It was with him. Who's that guy? Mash Beats and DJ Slick. Yeah, they were playing this thing on the item. I'm like, ooh, this is dope, bro. I don't use that shit there, nigga. It's quite a but I'm like, nah, come on, boy. But nah, he dropped a music video, bro. Let me see how long ago this shit was, bro. Because, hey, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This joint is something else. Let's see. I think it's fresh, bro. Because 3 days, you feel me? Shit is brand new, bro. So yeah, let's go full screen and see what is cooking with this one. Because if it sounds anything like it was, bro, it's gonna be dope.
Is a habit. I was just doing a couple shows and don't fuck with me a bad bitch. Finna get high, then her standings. Nigga, we're not the same, I come from a different fabric.
I'm in a mouth like a toothpick, and she put a Frenchie.
Wait. Nigga, started getting guap is a habit, boy. It's a habit. Keeps on doing it over and over again. Nigga said, I was just in the club and ended up fucking up a bad bitch. Nigga. You said I'm in about like a topi. Come on, boy. Come on. I did this joint, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I did this joint. Because there's no
habit. I was just doing a couple shows and don't fuck with me a bad bitch. Finna get high, then her standings. Nigga, we're not the same, I come from a different fabric.
I'm in a mouth like a toothpick, and she put a Frenchie to the fuck like she too thick.
Say this shit fast, she finna drop it to the new shit. When she drop down, she make a nigga wanna lose it. Goddamn, they treating me like I'm the man. Papa in my city, then I gotta dip again. Papa in the city, man, I see COS again. Gotta keep the peace, cause ain't no peace, ain't no amending. Hey, and they see me as a captain. Made them all believe that the city is some champions. Share about the east, from out the shack to a terrace. I'm busting out the heat, I'm flipping on any given weather. Yeah.
You still gotta deal with me. It's not over. In fact,
you tell me this shit.
It's about to go.
Steady making plays, stacking all the saluni. I gave him nothing, eating sushi. All of a sudden, all the bad girls tryna do me. 7 o'clock making groovy. I remember days when the motherfuckers do me. Gotta take it up till it bust out the bank. Gotta take it up, tryna stay out the way. Staying on the house till it go out of space. Niggas acting tough, then get popped in the face. Sipping on that mustard, she came out.
Niggas acting tough and then you're popped in the face. Come on, boy. Come on, bro. Nah, that message was crazy, nigga. From there, niggas going on chill. Now it's on.
I do rain. Sipping on that monkey before what you think. Since I do pop, niggas say that I've changed. I work this hard just to remain the same. Yeah. I got that new whip. $100 dash, shit the gas and I'm zooming. I don't like the brand, but the bank kinda stupid. Fast, but I'm high at your cruising. Couple of bags in jacuzzi. Slide with the gang in the night, getting too late. Yeah, any bad since a student. Ever since a young in my life in a movie. Yeah.
Nigga said I've been getting banned since I was a student. Yes. shit. Yeah, some fun you've been. Hey, when I will get you far with our nyana and getting a Istanbul. Yeah, and think it go slow. Something like a thou, you feel me? Because oh yeah. Hey, sentence beautiful at night, boy. But nah, I'ma say this, bro. Shout out to Flame, bro. Nigga's really back, you feel me? Nigga's really, he's dropping back to back, man. That is mad. That is mad, bruh. And we love it for him, bruh. Cause this nigga, he is a motherfucker who can actually blend in right now. Quick, you feel me? I'm telling you, like quick. He can tap into this industry now and pop shit, bruh. Cause he can trap hard, you feel me? A lot of motherfucking trap niggas are coming out with different songs and whatnot. Flame got it, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. Flame got it. Clearly, bruh. You heard the song Yahoo Boys, but what they're doing there. Come on, boy. Come on. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, we out.